Hello friends, this is Yrvind. Now I've rounded this off and now we're going to put some glass fiber around it to bind it together here, and also here is a little bit, and then comes all this. Here is 30 liters, it's going to be behind here with this piece of wood, 2 operations. Hello friends, this is Yrvind again, and here now I've been rounding the edges and I've been taping them with glass fiber so to connect everything. And here is an interesting problem. This is the start of the storage for the food and water for 4 months. It's going to be 120 liter water, 240 sardines, it's going to be milk powder, it's going to be egg powder, and before I used almond flour, but then someone said it's oxalates in them and you can get kidney stones. Well, I was out 150 days on the previous boat, no kidney stones. But on the other hand, now I'm going to be out longer and I'm going to be far more away from the doctor. So, and I seen one man having kidney stones. And by the looks of it, it's nothing I like to have myself. So I'm trying to find something else. Egg yolk powder, milk powder, sardines, and maybe, I don't know what to mix in it more to get some gruel to eat. But anyway, this is looks good. There's 33 liters of water and takes up this space. And then comes another layer of 33 liters and another layer for 33 liters. And then I'm gonna have like 12 1 liter bottles. So when I pour them out, I can do 2 at a time. And then I'm gonna have in the back here 2 of these jerry cans or canisters or what they're called for my rain collection system, so right now the 10 liters. And the same here on the other side, in the front, here for the other mast. So, well, this is how I'm gonna do it. Well, it comes out well. I know I found a better way, more easy way and simple way of doing the sides here. I had them in 2 levels before and I can open the bottom, but now I'm gonna make it different, more simple system. So learning, always learning. Well, thank you.